who we have here. After months, you are here again. Did you miss your way or something? Years. 2 freaking years. You vanished and left your family without a word. You left me and my kids, our kids, to struggle. And you were out there spending our money on other women. And now you are here?
Please, I'm sorry. I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me. Please.
Men and their antics. Because you won a huge contract. You felt like the world was on your shoulders. Do you have any idea what I have been through these past 2 years? Do you have any idea the endless tears? The pain, the heartbreak that I have to deal with. Do you have any idea?
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. I know. That's why I came back. I've been asking everybody that I know to come and beg you. I've been coming to you for more than 7 months now to ask for forgiveness. I've called my family members, everybody that I know to help me. Please.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Did I just hear you beg? You can beg? Why are you even here? Why are you here? Is it because the money has finished or because you are dying? Which one? Look, I'm done with you, okay? I'm done. And I need you to go back to those women. I have no place in my heart for you, okay? I've moved on long ago, and besides, I don't want you to be a bad influence to my kids.
Please, Lydia, please. There is no woman that can accept me in this way. Nobody. You are my wife. That's why I came back. Everybody I knew has abandoned me.
Your wife or your only option when your world is ending.
Oh, you are my wife.
Oh,
that's why
please.
I came back.
Please.
You are my wife. That's why I came back. I know you won't push me away. That's why I came.
I can't do this.
Please. Please don't do this. Don't push me away. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I just want to make things right and be a better father, better husband for you, please.
Mommy, I just... God, you cost.